Then Allah says, Kitabum marqum, a register inscribed. This is not an explanation of a statement, Wama adraka ma sijjin, and what will make you know what sijjin is. Rather, it is only an explanation of the destination that will be recorded for them, which is sijjin, meaning it is inscribed, written, and completed. No one can add to it, and no one can remove anything from it. Allah says, Wailun yawma idhil lil mukaththibin, woe that day to those who deny, meaning when they come to the imprisonment, Allah threatened them with on the day of judgment and the disgraceful torment. The statement woe has already been discussed previously, and there is no need to repeat it here. Basically, it means destruction and devastation. This is like what is said, woe to so and so. The Prophet ﷺ said, woe unto whoever speaks and lies in order to make the people laugh. Woe unto him, woe unto him. Then Allah says in explaining who are the wicked, disbelieving deniers, الَّذِينَ يُكَذِّبُونَ بِيَوْمِ those who deny the day of recompense, meaning they do not believe it will happen and they do not believe in its existence. Thus, they consider it a matter that is far-fetched. وَمَا يُكَذِّبُ بِهِ إِلَّا كُلُّ مُعْتَدٍ أَثِيمٍ, and none can deny it except every transgressor, sinner, meaning transgress in his actions by doing that which is forbidden and exceeding the limits when acquiring the permissible. He is a sinner in his statements because he lies whenever he speaks, he breaks his promises whenever he makes them, and he behaves in an abusive and wicked manner whenever he argues. إِذَا تُتْلَى عَلَيْهِ آيَاتُنَا قَالَ أَسَاطِيرُ الْأَوَّلِينَ, when our ayat are recited to him, he says, tales of the ancients, meaning whenever he hears the words of Allah from the messenger, he denies it and has ill thoughts about it. Thus, he believes that it is a collection gathered from the books of the ancients. This is as Allah says, وَإِذَا قِيلَ لَهُمْ مَاذَا أَنزَلَ رَبُّكُمْ قَالُوا أَسَاطِيرُ الْأَوَّلِينَ. When it is said to them, what is it that your Lord has sent down, they say tales of the men of old. Similarly, Allah says, وَقَالُوا أَسَاطِيرُ الْأَوَّلِينَ, and they say tales of the ancients, which He has written down.